Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to take a proper photo in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and keep the mode in photo. Now, bring any subject for taking photo. Just click over the subject, touch over the subject so that you can focus on this subject. See here. Now click. See the result. Wow, super photo. Also you can take it in portrait. Okay. See there. So in this way you can easily take proper photo in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.